Hi students, welcome to Bosco Campus Vision. I am Shankar Ganesh, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Don Bosco College, Kottayam. I am delighted to present a lecture on the topic Knowledge Management System and Development, which comes under the third module of Information Systems and Knowledge Management. This lecture is meant for Semester 5 BCA course of Kerala University. In this lecture, we are going to discuss Introduction to Knowledge Management. Knowledge management comprises of a range of practices used in an organization to identify, create, represent, distribute, and enable adoption of insights and experiences gathered during the course of business management. Such insights and experiences comprise knowledge either embodied in individuals or embedded in organizational processes or practices. Knowledge management is all about creating knowledge-based employee competencies. Many large companies and non-profit organizations have resources dedicated to internal knowledge management efforts, often as a part of their business strategy, information technology, or human resource management. Several business consulting companies provide strategy and advice regarding knowledge management to these organizations. Knowledge management efforts typically focus on organizational objectives such as improved performance, sustaining competitive advantage, creativity and innovation, sharing of lessons learned out of experience, and continuous improvement of the organization. Knowledge management efforts focus on the management of knowledge as a strategic asset. Next is benefits of knowledge management. Knowledge management efforts can help individuals and groups to share valuable organizational insights, reduce redundant work, reduce training time for new employees, and retain intellectual capital. Next is knowledge management process cycle. The process steps in knowledge management run dynamically, revolving around a vision and mission of improving knowledge to higher value. Knowledge management process cycle is made of 7 steps. They are: identify knowledge, validate knowledge, create knowledge, acquire knowledge, transfer and share knowledge, measure value of knowledge, and create intellectual capital and intellectual property. Next is establish a knowledge strategy framework. A knowledge strategy framework describes the overall approach an organization takes to align its knowledge resources and capabilities to intellectual knowledge requirements of its proposed new business strategy. The organization needs to describe and evaluate its current and desired knowledge strategy. The evaluation should center on the area where knowledge needs to be enhanced and the degree of benefits it offers to the organization. If the current knowledge level needs enhancement, knowledge initiative gets into the exploration of new knowledge to close the knowledge gap. If current knowledge is adequate and higher than what is sought, it aggressively exploits its application for new strategy implementation. Next is take knowledge initiative. The knowledge initiative through the role of explorer, creator, and acquirer would be handled by different people or teams, as these are specialized areas of knowledge whose source could be internal or external. Balancing these efforts to become congruent to support the new business strategy is very difficult. To make this happen, the organization must have in place a system of rewarding motivators and competence. It is one of the strategic core capabilities the organization should build to ensure that knowledge gaps are closed at the earliest. In this lecture, we have discussed knowledge management. Hope all of you have understood the lecture. Thank you.